Hey everyone, we're back.
Hey, well, we're delivering, in this video you're going to see us delivering our load at the New England Patriots Stadium in Foxborough, Massachusetts, and then we made our way back to Vegas. Thomas has been practicing his drone flying abilities, so you're going to see some drone footage of the rest area in the Glenwood Canyon, and another drone footage clip of the rest area at the San Rafel Reef in Utah. Check it out.
Ready to start our adventure for the day. Our friends. What is this?
Just right down the road.
It's really bright. Yeah. Tony and Sonya. Say hi.
Right.
Hi. We're gonna go to a car show and see what other kind of trouble we can get into. when we get out here to Vegas, especially when we get to spend it with good friends of ours. Tony and Sonya, they drive for the same company we do, and they just happen to be home the weekend we delivered in Vegas.
Which really makes it great, because it's like having our own personal Uber. The guys went to a car show, and us girls, we went to Emerald Isle Casino.
She didn't win no money though.
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah, you did win a little bit. Yeah. And then when I got there, I won a little bit. So yeah.
$300.
And then after that, we went downtown to our favorite spot to visit when we go down there is Fremont Street. If you ever get down to Vegas, some of the most exciting things to see down on Fremont Street.
Oh yeah.
They have free concerts going on down there. There's a lot of different casinos you can go into, a lot of shops for souvenirs. Pretty much a lot of entertainment, a lot of free entertainment. People just walking up, providing their own entertainment.
A lot of free entertainment on Fremont Street.
Yes.
One of the restaurants on Fremont Street is the Heart Attack Grill, and they have very, very good food. Cash only. Yes. Over 350 pounds, you eat for free.
Yep.
This guy.
I'm not 350 pounds.
He didn't eat for free,
no.
But he didn't eat all of his food. So if you don't eat all your food, you are punished.
Yes.
He took the spanking, or you can sing karaoke in front of everybody. He opted for the spanking. Yeah. He's not good in front of crowds.
No.
So, but that was really fun. We had a good time there.
Yeah, definitely. They have some really good food. Fun environment to be in. Really good service. And then
cash only.
Yeah, cash
only.
So then after dinner, we went back to Sam's Town, did some exploring and gambling. Sam's Town is pretty cool. They have a huge casino there. They have a bowling alley. What was the special they offered?
$53.99. Up to 6 people, 2 lanes, yeah. 2 hours of bowling, a large pizza, and a pitcher of soda.
Which we didn't do since we ate a huge burger at Heart Attack Grill. Yeah, I didn't finish it all. So needless to say, I wasn't eating anymore. They have a cinema there, huge hotel, several restaurants inside.
It was very cool.
Yeah. Then the KOA that's attached to Sam's Town, they have plenty of parking there. It's straight truck friendly. Of course, they have their pool, their hot tub, laundry facilities, great shower facility there. One of the better ones we've been to. Now last time we were out of Vegas, we stayed at Circus.
Yeah.
And yeah, was not happy at all.
Yeah.
Wasn't worth the price you paid. It was.
We won't go back there.
Comparable to what we paid per night at KOA.
KOA was cheaper.
Yeah, KOA was cheaper, and they had better shower facility, and they offer a free shuttle service from the KOA there down to the Strip and back, and down to Fremont Street and back, which we didn't do since we had our own little personal Uber. Yeah, but we didn't do that. But next time we go and our friends aren't there, then we at least have a way to get from one place to the other without having to pay for an Uber.
Yep.
But so I'm not sure what our next video is going to be. I had some technical difficulties with our GoPro. The case decided it was going to crap out on me, so we didn't get any outside footage. We've been really busy running, so
we'll think of something.
Yeah, we'll come up with something good. All right, till next time,
like us, subscribe, find us on Facebook and Instagram, Living, Loving, Expediting.
All right, till next time, bye.
Bye.
But I hope you all enjoyed the video. I think our next, we had some issues with technical difficulties with our crap. I'm drawing a blank.
You screwed it all up! You screwed it all up!
Okay.
Yes, I can
Hey everyone.
We're back.
You didn't do nothing.
I was thinking because I knew I had to cut off that first.